Hi, this is Mesh Inspector. Today, we'll show you how our Mesh Healer works after several important updates. It's a fast and simple way to inspect and fix your 3D models. This one clearly needs some work. Let's open Mesh Healer and Mesh Repair. Indeed, there is a lot to fix. There are two Mesh Healer modes. Local Repair targets individual problems with minimized changes. Auto Repair, a more aggressive fix, rebuilds the model from scratch when necessary. Local Repair is the default. Our model has been scanned for the most common issues: disconnected parts, holes, and intersections. You can also toggle flip normals, zero-angle triangles, and small tunnels, and see results instantly. Mesh Inspector allows fine-tuning our repair using repair resolution, which limits how much the mesh can deviate from the original. Let's click on Repair selected to begin. We had 6 disconnected parts, now we have 5. That's because Mesh Inspector merges parts that touch, via Boolean union, but leaves fully separated ones alone. Small floating parts usually removed automatically. As for holes, small ones get patched. Bigger ones stay and need manual tools like bridging, which we also support. All other issues are fixed right away. To check what changed, toggle Show Deviation Map. Here, red shows added geometry. Blue shows removed areas. Toggling Discrete Palette makes it possible to see the differences more clearly. Mesh Inspector also checks for thin walls and undercuts. If enabled, they're highlighted in red. These issues can cause 3D printing to fail, so don't overlook them. Now let's try Auto Repair. If your mesh has major holes, we recommend fixing them first, otherwise, the algorithm might guess wrong. To save you time, we have filled all large holes beforehand in this model. We start with a quick scan using Local Repair. Some issues remain, so we will apply Auto Repair to fix them. We'll use the standard setting. There's also High, Ultra, and Custom, but keep in mind, they require more time and computing resources. Here is the result. Looks fine, all green. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video with an advanced guide to Mesh Healer.